360 Mortgage Solutions. So this week we're going to be looking at contract of sale in a bit more detail. So let's check it out. So with the steps to purchasing a property, the first thing you want to look at is a fully assessed pre-approval. Now if you haven't watched my video on fully assessed pre-approvals, I'll put the link in below. Make sure you check that out because it is really important. But let's assume that you've got your fully assessed pre-approval, you've been house hunting and you finally found a property that you're interested in. So the first thing you need to do is put in your offer. Now this is usually done on a contract of sale and it goes back and forth until you and the vendor, the person selling the property, agree on a price. So once you agree on a price, you initial the new price on the contract of sale and that contract is now in place. It's now time for you to get your formal approval, get your insurance on the property and go from there. So a couple of things that I want to mention when it comes to signing your contract of sale. And your real estate agent should take you through this. But you want to make sure you put on there a finance clause. Now this is because you're borrowing the funds, you want to make sure that the bank is going to formally approve the loan to you before you're locked into that contract. And a way to do that is to put 14 days finance on that property. So with 14 days finance, that means you have 14 days to order the valuation, your broker will finish off the application and get any updated information they might need, send that all to the bank and the bank will come back with a formal approval. So once you have that formal approval, the contract can be locked down and you know you're purchasing that property. The other thing you want to make sure you add in there is a building and pest clause as well. And typically, again, this is usually 14 days, but that gives you 14 days to order a building and pest inspection on the property to make sure there's no issues, nothing untoward that you want to know about before, again, you're locked into buying that property. So if you want to know more details about signing the contract, then make sure you check out the blog. I'll put the link below. And we also have the first home buyers program coming up. If you are a first home buyer and you want to know more about how much deposit you're going to need, how to save the deposit, how to budget, all those kind of things, then make sure you register your interest. And when it comes live, if you're one of the first 50 to jump on and register, then you will get free access. Otherwise, take care and I'll talk to you guys next week.